Bravo. Welcome to Diana's channel. Guys, I'm going to share something with you very candidly and at the end of it, plain as day. Now, I got a text a short while ago, and the text says, "Dan, can I call you?" I said, "Yes, you can." And lo and behold, it was from a subscriber, and it's a subscriber who I had connected with, or rather who was recommended to me by two persons I hold in high esteem. Okay, and what that simply means is that if you give me their name and you tell me that they recommended me, then you know I'm going to roll on a different pace than I would to persons I know nothing about. And so, they got onto my channel, and, they kept up with all the vlogs. They even comment. And I was expecting them to come in around this time. And our last conversation, it was, "Diane, once I get my ticket, I'll contact you." So of course, when I got this text and I said, "Yes, you can call," and they called, I said, "You're up early," because obviously I think they are where they are from, where they live. So imagine my surprise when they said they're here. I said, "Here, where? Here, in Ghana." I said, "How long have you been here?" 6 days. I said, "And is no you reaching out? Is no you reaching out?" And this is where it went a little bit south. Boy, Diane. I said, "Well, I'm going to stick a pin right there. Because yes, you're going to hear from them. Okay? And it's a bit gloomy. But I said to them, it took you 6 days before you got it. And the only reason why I come into you is because of so and so and so and so. Because I would not come. Right? Because whatever the ish is, the truth of the matter is we have to take accountability for when you choose not to walk where you were recommended to walk for the first couple steps, knowing that where you have decided to walk, you really don't know nothing there, so you really do not know much there. But as my channel, guys, with over 200 and odd vlogs, it's my footprint, but it also can be a directory for you out there, because I outline the steps and the processes that I go through, and I walk a direct line and a direct route, straight as an arrow. Anything outside of that route, then Dan is not the one for you. And it's all good, because it can be very tricky if you expect me to step in without knowing what's on the table. And for wellness, I choose not. But suffice to say, I came on very strong, because persons who have met Diane in person on certain things, that's the only way I know how to be, is to be extremely direct. And I also know what it is if you're coming from way, and you're coming here and you really want to see if you can do the Africa journey, and if Ghana truly is your gateway. I have no time to muck about, and I have no time to take persons around the merry-go-round. So one thing I can tell you guys, when you reach out to a Diane, and if you have met me, If I tell you I will assist you on something, I will. If you call me, I will respond. I will never tell you I will do A and not do it, and then try to avoid you when you reach out. I did not graduate from that university or that college. All Diane has is her word, and that means more to me than anything else. So those are the kind of seeds that I sow, because I would like that as I continue my journey, those who I meet, I receive in kind. So I will never, never fool you. So wait, I'm going to them now, you're going to get the full 100.